I've been wanting to get it for a while.
At the vaccination superstation in the South Bay, people like Anthony Stewart are getting their shots before the Sharp Healthcare run site closes over the weekend.
I'll admit I was a little hesitant. I just waited just because I figured I was young. I'm young. I would take my chances initially, and then I got a little bit of vaccine FOMO. And so I was like, people are going out. I don't want to have any restrictions on where I can't go, where I can go.
Those getting their first doses, like Max BERA, will have to schedule their second appointments elsewhere. BERA contracted COVID-19 back in January, and it nearly hospitalized him.
15 days of misery, and then after the fever and everything broke, I had about another 2 weeks of dizziness and confusion.
He has some level of immunity since getting infected, but wanted to boost it with the vaccination and is looking forward to some normalcy.
Getting my life back, being able to go out.
Others say reasons for delaying were they were afraid of possible side effects, but ultimately chose to get the shot.
I knew that everybody was doing it because before I was unsure. But after that, I got pretty comfortable because my sister did it too.
Just under 100,000 people came through this site alone, but the push to vaccinate people in an area hard hit by COVID-19 is continuing.
We keep going. Even though the super sites are closing, the San Diego Latino Health Coalition is still assisting people with vaccination appointments, and we're having vaccination pop-up sites.
Sandra Mendoza with the Chicano Federation and Latino Health Coalition says teams of community health workers called promotoras are still one of the best ways to get the vaccination message out.
And they do a lot of the talking for us to the community, so they're very one-to-one, and they're at tabling events, they're at food distribution events, they're at school events, they're handing out PPE gear and providing resources for families. So they're the ones that are actually breaking the barriers for the hesitancy.
The county's vaccination dashboard shows 77% of residents ages 12 and over are partially vaccinated, while 65% have completed all of the doses. The superstations were designed to push through thousands of people per day. The one in Del Mar will stop administering doses on Tuesday, and county health officials also expect to close some additional smaller vaccination sites by the end of the month. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.